How to fix this account cannot use WhatsApp problem. If any day you see a WhatsApp problem that your account is not being opening, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to tap on WhatsApp for a while. After that, you have to go to the I option out there. After you go to the I option, you'll see the interface of app information. After that, you have to go to the option of notification. After that, you have to check whether allow notification has been enabled or not and whether allow sound and vibration has also been enabled or not. After you check that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions. After going back to the option of permission, now you have to check whether camera, contacts, microphone, music and audio, notification and phone has been allowed permission or not. After you check that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of storage and then you have to see whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to go to the option of clear cache. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of set as default. After going to the option of set as default, you have to check whether open supported links has been enabled or not. After checking that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to scroll down until you find the option of app details and store. Now you have to tap on app details and store. After that, you'll see a screen like this. And if you find the option of update out there, you have to tap on update. And this way, when you update your very WhatsApp Messenger app, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.